Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be going over my checklist for my trades and essentially kind of like going over a few examples of what my trade would look like. Of course, I do these examples basically whenever I take a trade, so I'm not going to talk about it too much, but I just kind of wanted to do like a quick video on my trade entry, my example, and my checklist. So let's just get right into the markets. I have a sell and a buy example. I'm going to place my checklist right here. And then of course, we'll go over it. So for a sell, what I'm looking for is essentially the same as if I was looking for a buy. One, we have to have our draw on liquidity for where the market is going to go. We want to be trading into a higher time frame objective, fair value gap, or liquidity or something like that. We want to have that displacement. We want to have a break in market structure. We want to have the silver bullet time frame entry, the entry fair value gap, 10-point take profit, and stop loss of 5 points. So I did this quick example here for a sell just because I just kind of want to go over what my trade setup would potentially look like. However, this wouldn't be considered a trade that I would normally take just because it's not in the silver bullet time frame. So bear with me. Essentially, we want to see the market draw into that higher time frame liquidity objective. So we have these highs over here taken. These are significant highs because they're London session highs. Then we have our break in market structure right here. We have this displacement run down. We have this displacement run down. So we're looking like we want to sell. We have the short-term buy side liquidity taken, traded lower. We have our entry fair value gap, comes right up into that. Look at how perfectly that the bodies respect that area before dropping lower into the New York AM session lows, which are some key lows that we talked about in the last video. So that one's a pretty basic kind of what I'm looking for trade. Let's go over into this other chart where I talk about a buy potentially. This one is more something I'm looking for. One, because it is on our silver bullet time frame, and it's in our silver bullet time frame. So when we're looking for our trades, we are kind of following this checklist that I have made out as a template. Feel free to copy and paste. So our draw on liquidity are going to be these highs right here. They're pretty much relatively equal, so we like these levels. We have our higher time frame objective that we reached into, which is these sell side liquidity here, and then potentially a higher time frame fair value gap or something like a 1 hour fair value gap. We then have our displacement run higher. Very nice displacement run. We have this break in market structure right here. We're entering in our silver bullet time frame. Our entry would be 1049. This candle right here. We have our entry fair value gap right here. And we have our 5-point stop loss well protected underneath this low right here. So this is about an A++ setup. Of course, we trade down into it and then we hit the relative equal high objective right here. So I do talk about trades a lot more in my regular videos just because I am taking trades with you. I'm going over my daily recap, but I thought it would just be cool to put this in this little week of learning videos just because understanding entries is also important. Understanding where the market's likely to draw to is important, and just knowing where we think market is going to go to is important. So this would be an A+ setup here. We have that break in market structure, displacement run, entry fair value gap, stop loss well protected with 5-point stop loss, and then these relative equal highs right here is our objective, and then boom, 10-point take profit. Perfect setup. And yeah, rules checklist, something that you guys can copy, paste, and use that for your everyday day trading too. And yeah, I hope you guys like this week of educational videos, and I'm excited to be talking with you again next week. We'll be going over the markets together. So I hope you liked this one. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, if you want more entry videos, if you want more on what my trade setup looks like, and I'll be sure to post more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now. Have a great weekend. Bye guys.